Hi there, folks, and welcome to another fantastic Monday where we'll outline another Lean or Six Sigma term here on the ABCs of Lean. This week, we're going to go over the term business necessary or business value added work. But what does this term mean? Well, this type of work activity does not meet the criteria of value added work, mainly because a customer is not willing to pay for the activity or for the service of work. The work, although not considered value-added work, is necessary to either protect your company or comply with regulatory requirements. One important tip that you should keep in mind is that although business necessary work cannot always be eliminated right away, remember, this work might be necessary to protect your business. These activities should still be reduced or minimized as much as possible value stream until ultimately they can be removed. Here's a fun little question for you to test your knowledge of business necessary or business value added work. John is inspecting a set of tires after changing the rims. Is this considered value added, non-value added, or business necessary work? Go ahead and select your answer down below by visiting our website and typing in on the Lean and Six Sigma glossary, business necessary or business value added work. You'll also be able to download this helpful reminder pamphlet to keep close by so that you can master this term. Don't forget to subscribe to the station, and we'll be back again next week with another term from the ABCs of Lean.